In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the inner fender liner on a Ford F-150. It's located above the tires in the fender well. Remove the tire just to have better access. There's one, and we're going to follow the fender liner right up to this one. Then go over to the next. Don't forget this last 5.5 millimeter socket. Now you can follow the liner inward, and we have one big washer bolt here. That's 8 millimeter socket. Then we have the 3 nuts and bolts up here. These are mounting for a part that's mounted on the top of the fender. So we're going to take 10 millimeter socket. Now you can grab from the fender liner from the front firewall side and pull it down. And you're going to see and expose these little harnesses that are just pushed through. Pull them up. Same with that bracket. Lift it out. So now we're going to take our fender liner and we're going to put it back in over the shock tower bracket. There we go. And while it's up here, we're going to grab those harnesses and reattach them to the little bracket holes that are opening. Push this one down in. Okay. Now we have to line up those 3 mounting bolts for this module box. So let's bring it around. Let's see if we can grab that. Guide it in. Here we go. There's 1, 2. There we go. Now at this point, I'm going to grab 2 of the nuts and slide them on. Now don't forget to put this part of this fender liner behind that fender. So we have to work it in there somehow. Easiest way is to grab this notch right here and to see that little cutout. See if you can slide that in that way. Then it will follow suit right up and over. Then grab the inside fender and slide it up. Go. Bring it around, give it a little lift. I'm going to attach this bolt up here. See if we can line that up. There we go. Now I'm going to put these little 5x5mm screws in all the way around. There it is. Follow my fender liner all the way up around the trim. There it is. No metal there. There we go. This last one down here. Put this one on, 8mm socket. And now grab our 10mm socket, and we'll tighten up these 3 nuts. Reinstall the 5 lug nuts. Snug them up in a star pattern. Then we lower it and torque it. The torque for the wheel on this Ford is 100 foot-pounds. Always do it in a star pattern. Double check. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.